Look in your eyes.
Want to choose between sunscreen or vitamin C? Get both.
Kulits, thank you.
I'm sorry, Lizzie. Why are you beating up? Oh my god, I
Saan
got
ka nakatambay?
Alright, wait. Oh my god.
Loading ka?
Alright,
Loading
stop
ako?
it.
Uy!
That just created a cloud. Oh my, and it's level 2. Wait, here, Lizzie. Here, I'm splitting them. I'm giving you 3. Oh wait, I actually need that.
I'll take my boots, bro.
3 boots. Wait, yo, it gives me mana or whatever. Okay, dude, we gotta lock in, okay? If I break my crafting table, what does that drop? Come on. What? Sunbeam. Oh my gosh. Wait, what dropped wood? Dude, one of these flowers dropped wood. Was it this? No, it was... Oh my gosh. It was the cornflower. Oh,
Kapatid!
Wait, I need to test this. Hold on. Hello, Mr. Sheep.
Mystery. Ay, kala ko si kapatid. Mystery remains forever.
You're like made out of
Hello
fire,
po.
right? Yo, you like fire?
I do not like
Yo, you like
Comment.
fire?
Thank you for
Okay, relax, I
coming.
missed.
Oh my god!
There you go. I found some more
Hello,
little bits.
mystery
Go, 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 go,
remains
go. What
forever.
the- what are you doing? Tool of praise.
Panalang to.
Anytime
Ganda,
of-
di ba?
Okay, never mind. I thought it was
Ay,
like-
buti na lang talaga na uso ang
Hey!
filter.
Bro, I don't want
Ayun yung ano sinasabi. Ito yung personal.
That's how you want to play. That's how you wanna play. Take this. La 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 la.
Ah, ito yung totoo.
Oh my god.
Yung thumbnail. Punong-puno ng filter, di ba?
These are crazy. Okay, hold on. Yes, we're getting all this wood. I'm gonna make another crafting table.
Kuya
If we get the
Aw.
crafting table, we get the sunbeam.
Kuya, magandang gabi po.
Sunbeam scroll. What we can also do though is
Na-prank ka ni Mystery. Oh, akala ko si Mysterious.
No, hey, what?
Mystery, ano pala yun? Parcel pala yun.
Breaking it totally doesn't do this.
Sa'yo yan?
Oh my god, I just.
Sa'yo yung Mystery na yan?
Oh my god, I just stole his diamond, bro. No way, he's actually mad. He's actually mad. Yo, I was my bad. I didn't know you were
Kala
mad.
ko si kapatid na gawa ng bago niyang channel.
Your
Shut
diamond
up, I
back.
don't want your pity, bro.
Really? You don't want your diamond back?
Shut up, dude. I don't want
Ilagay mo na yung thumbnail mo,
Your
Kulits.
diamond. You dropped them when I killed you.
Tingin ko daw. Pasado ba sa'yo?
Okay, fine.
You know what? Mrs. Sweepers, dude.
What? Ow! Ow! Stop.
Mystery remains forever. Hello. Thank you for coming. Sinisilip ko nga rin ibang lahi. Ah, ibang lahi.
Come on, come on.
Thank you for coming, sis.
Ooh, golden cookie. Wait, I just realized.
Sister remain, ay, mystery remains forever.
So we have the Starfall one. Okay, that, yeah.
Pasado ba sa'yo yung thumbnail na ginawa niya?
I'm actually not sure what our mana does.
Ginawa
Our
niya.
hunger. It's 350 out of 350. Oh wait, the scrolls cost mana. Interesting. Alright, well hold up. You can now get infinite golden cookies.
Nakalagay na, mukha mo na lang wala.
I feel like that's a little sus.
Nakakaasa ang mukha ko doon.
Oh my god, she's over there. I just saw her.
Di pa nga sure kung pupunta ako eh. Di ba pag walang regalo, ibablock mo?
Everything's just kind of working on my face.
Ay, iha-hide mo? Mystery. Nasaan na yung mystery na yun? Mystery.
Okay, I don't think she has any spells. You
Ah.
should definitely go to her. Oh my, I just broke Sugar's name. What did this drop? Why
Seller
is Austin
siya,
died? Where's my pickaxe?
seller.
Dude, this is so weird. Usually I have my pickaxe in my
Choose
first slot, but not this time.
subscribe.
What? Bar could go
Okay,
I don't
then
know what that means,
subscribe
but I
to
think
your
it's
mystery.
that much it's armor. How much of my diamond like it? Oh, it's the same. But it gives me more
Laka,
mana.
uy.
Oh my gosh, I'm at 475. I would be the most powerful wizard. Okay, hold on.
Ano wala ka, oy?
Sand. What is sand drop?
May usapan na kami ni Sis Jeneline, hindi kami pupunta.
That's what, dude, that's what Izzy was using on me. Hold on a second. Oh my god, yeah, that is literally all it does. It's wherever you aim.
Ang regalo daw niya sa'yo, nasa ba Sis Jeneline? Ang regalo daw niya sa'yo, ibon.
Underwater, I gotta
So, ang regalo ko sa'yo, kulungan.
This would be a good idea. Let's grab the magma. Let's grab the magma. It drops some wood. It drops something else. Get out, get out, get out. I'm gonna drown. No.
Okay na ba yan?
Crimson block drop me. Magma bomb. Level 5. Wait, what? How do I need to test it. Hello, sheep. Face my magma ball. Oh my gosh, I want
Ang regalo niya, ibon. Ang regalo ko naman, kulungan. O, di ba?
Wait, have I broken stone?
Di ka naman problema.
Um,
Patukan na lang ang bibilhin mo.
Oh, green banner. I'm gonna break the green banner. Blaze storm.
Ilalagay ako ng thank you label.
Whoa! Whoa, that is sick. It's like multiple bullets for each one that you use. Chico's gonna be so jealous because he absolutely loves fire stuff. Okay, okay. How about this coal?
Saan nga ba yan si Gigi?
We'll drop something else.
Baka kumakain pa.
Burning dash. What? Whoa.
Wala si Ate Janet. Kamusta na kaya yun, no?
We did not use that, right?
Baka hindi pa okay yung mata niya. Binawalan siya
That's gonna be me,
Ano
buddy.
muna?
Let's see, what is this? Oh my God!
magtingin sa monitor.
Bro, I can literally just dash fly. That's insane for getting away. Hold up, there's like a ton of blocks here that we can maybe break. I have never seen the structure in my life before.
Si
but
Nanay,
it's
di rin
insane.
nag-live ng 8.
Oh my
Inaantay
gosh,
ko eh.
police leggings. Wait, yeah, I'm just gonna
Oras
keep
na
this
ba?
other side. Are they the same thing? Wait,
Oo,
they do
9
different
na.
things. You see holy spell
Pwede ka
power,
mag-promote
gives me a
ng
10+%
paninda mo
boost.
doon.
And
Live
then this
yun
one does
eh.
evoke. I don't even know what I did. Do I even have anything against that? I don't think I do.
Baka maban ka doon. Sabi ni Lolo, dinala ko yung tindahan natin doon sa Tiktik.
It's up to sword. What? I don't even know what this does.
Anong
but I
paninda?
guess I'm
Ito,
just gonna
ito.
keep it anyways. How about this block over here? Wow, I really need maps.
Buti naman kung
I need to
pwede
find
ko
more
pa to,
points.
pwede ko tong
Let's
i-JNT.
break that. Yeah, I really could use an axe guy, but whatever. Oh, sign. Let's break it. Come on. Oh, copper lopper. Copper lopper. Break the copper lopper. Oh my gosh. Bro, we get screwed home. Wait, this is huge. We can make a ton of crafting tables and then make, oh my gosh.
Nawala si Mystery, sabi niya, ha? Ang ganda-ganda sa thumbnail. Pagpasok ko, bruha pala yung nandun.
Sticks and then make an axe. Woohoo! Now I can break. Oh my gosh, and get the sun. Dude, I also realized we can get infinite amount of these like blood needles. It's just too
Pagpasok ko,
easy to
bruha
place it
pala.
and then break it. Oh my gosh, we literally can get infinite blood needle magic, bro. I'm not gonna lie, gamers, the blood stuff is kind of the coolest to me.
Sir Michael Kembao, good evening po.
The surface. Yeah, I have so much blood
Lagyan
needles,
kita,
I can't pick them up.
moderator.
I have an idea. 200 IQ.
Yan.
on how
Thank
to
you for
get
coming,
infinite
sir.
blood very quickly. Or at least you
Shout
get
out,
all of
Sir
these-
Michael.
Wait, ancient knights. Oh? Wait, I thought the signs dropped. Oh my gosh, maybe they're different types of signs because I placed them in the air or something. Okay,
Kita na naman ako nung
really
number
not
one
much
fan.
wood, but instead we got the
JM.
ancient knight egg right here. Just right ornament. I could probably just spam the chain creeper or maybe honestly the blood needles. Yeah. Ooh, and just in
Oo,
case
kasi
we use
pangit
the
buhok
burning dash.
ko.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Kulot.
Hello.
Kulo, tapos
Are you
buhaghag.
nice? Ow, these nuts.
Lagi lang yan
These nuts.
nakatali.
You dare
Kung
fight
si Mary
me.
si Moana, kasi Marimar talaga.
He just did a dash! What? Okay, I can do the same.
Diba?
La 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 la. La la
Kapal
la
ang
la.
buhok ko, tapos kulot. Pag tuyo na,
Singular
buhaghag na.
essence. Wait, that's kind of cool. Useless to me though. Hold on, gamers. You know what? Since I now have a pickaxe, then we gotta find what diamond drops. Speaking of diamond, where is my? There we go. Spawn is right there. I don't know
Sir
if I should
Michael,
just break this by
dahan-dahan lang sa
myself
pag-ikot.
or get everyone to come back.
Baka
For the
mahilo ka po.
ritual of the drop, where we all
Napaka-supportive
break
ni Sir
down.
Michael.
Ladies and
Puntahan pala
gentlemen,
kita, Sir Michael. Si Marimar ang gagamitin ko.
it's time to do the ritual. Are we all?
Ayun o. Ah, ito pala siya.
The ritual where we break our blood. Okay, who wants to start?
Doon ako sa thank you, guys.
Yeah, ladies first. Ladies first. Ladies first.
Hold on, I have a full inventory.
Ayos na English speaking, Sir Michael. Oh, no.
All right, no stealing. No stealing. What you get?
Kainom ko lang gamot, gawa ni nanay. Mukhang ma-headache na naman ako nito.
What'd you get? What's that? What's that? What's that? Electro Mansion. Oh!
Kamusta po, Sir Michael?
Thank you.
Si Marimar, ididikit ko sa'yo, Sir Michael, mamaya. Pupuntahan kita sa, diyan sa main ko after ng live ko. You're right.
Go on, bro. Break the gum over here. It's gonna be the best item. It's gonna be the best item. What is it? Oh yeah, no.
Tayo dyan, Englishan pala to.
What? Wait, is it the same as this one? Ah! I don't know. Does it look the same?
Nahawa kay Ate Gigi.
Oh my God, does not look the same.
No, it's not the same. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Alright, you go, baby.
Tamsak sis. Uy, nandyan na si Marin Jenalyn. Ay, Marin Jenalyn.
What's that? What is that?
Di ba ang regalo mo kay Kulit sa birthday niya? Hinaan mo nga yan,
Oh
nak.
my God, bro. Really?
Kuya, hinaan mo yan.
Dog.
Di ba ang regalo mo sa birthday niya? Ibon.
My turn.
Kaya ang ireregalo ko, kulungan.
2, 1. With the pop.
Para ang problema na lang niya, patuka. Di ba sis, nag-usap na tayo?
Oh my gosh, I got
Mag-live ako maya, kahit mga, 30 minutes lang din ako. Wala, inaantay ko kayo mag-live eh. Wala si Inanay, wala si Ate Janet, wala ka ring live. Uli. Mag-live na ako. 30 minutes lang naman yan. Sir Michael, good evening. Minsan na nga lang ako makapunta kay Ate Georgie.
Yo,
Daima, Rayhan, good evening. Kunbanwa, Rayhan.
stop. Stop. Alright, bro. Yeah. You go, bro. A little again.
Pag nag-live na siya, antok na eh.
La.
Dati napunta rin ako doon kay Ate Georgie. Georgie Basa.
Let's break this. What is that?
Nakikinig ako sa mga kanta niya.
The weak one. Okay, that's not too bad.
Pero ngayon, tamad na kasi ako mag-ikot ng mag-ikot.
Whoa. That's the structure.
Iilan na lang yung pinupuntahan ko. Pag nakakita kong naka-live,
I'm
yun.
gonna mind up their crap.
Hello lang.
With all the sun being that
Si Rayhan, shout out po. Wag nga daw sir, ayaw niya nga ng sir.
the rails. Whoa, what's that?
Ma'am Rayhan or Sis Rayhan.
It's level 2, 13
Joke.
Let's target one of your stomachs. What does that even mean? I'm
Kuya
too
Rayhan,
dumb to
tawagin mo
use
siya,
it.
Kuya
I'm gonna
Rayhan.
save it just in case. Wait, I have this copper block. I don't think
Oh, ayan oh, sabi sa'yo, wag na sir, Sis Jenaline. Just Rayhan lang.
Hold up.
Oh, di ba? Sabi sa'yo eh.
But dude, oh my gosh.
Jenaline.
Oh my gosh.
Eto cute pa din po. Ay,
It's better than the blood.
sana all
And I have
cute.
a stack of them.
Grabe. Ay, paano?
It must have been
Paano yung sasabi? Ay, grabe. Hindi ko kaya ngayon, sir. Ay, grabe. Doy, MLS si Doy.
My goal has been to get to the structure over here.
Rayhan, kamusta si Ate Janet? Ba't di siya nagla-live?
That's better. That's better than the cookies. As much as I love the cookies.
Oy, anak ni Janet. Kamusta na si Ate Janet?
It was a moss. Bro, I have the memory of an ant.
Ba't di na siya nagla-live? Uy, Ate Ning!
Whoa. Really? What does that do?
Good morning, Ate Ning. Thank you po sa pagpunta.
Hold on. Where's the
Nag-live update lang po ako.
What does this do? Oh!
Wag ng boss, Rayhan. Cute na lang.
I have to use the raise.
Cute Michael.
That was actually insane. Oh, someone who's been here slowly. That means everything that we're getting is not as special as I thought. I don't
Naglalagay
think-
akong sticker sa aking
You know what, Sandra?
lagayan ng paninda. Thank you, sticker.
Wait, I don't even have any ice stuff.
Kaya naisip ko mag-live habang may ginagawa dito.
Yeah, bro. Pyro.
Diba?
Awesome. Wait,
Pag nagdadaldal ako, may mabubu. Makaka 100 pieces na ako.
Whoa, fireball?
Ate Ning, thank you po.
I only got 2 though. There's Podzol right here. Haven't broken
Cute
back.
Michael, thank you po.
Okay, well, hello, Mr. Google.
Doy, thank you. Naantok na nga ako. O di mag-live ka na ngayon.
What? No. Okay, that's it.
Sige na, mag-live ka na oh. Para mga 9:40, 9:50 tapos ka na.
Long past become uninteresting.
Maaga pa. Mag-live ka na. Iwanan mo na ako dito.
Oh my gosh, I just clicked on it. I forgot where it was, but
Dadaldal lang naman ako dito kay Ana.
I don't think it'll happen now. Oh, that's gonna be so sweet.
DJLS ka pa, tulog na.
What the heck? What is that? Shock.
Kasi 30 minutes lang yung update ko kaninang umaga. Dagdagan ko ng 30 minutes ngayon.
Oh my gosh, I gotta find that. I gotta find that. What? Wait, what was it that room?
Mag-live ka na sis
Oh my gosh,
Gigi.
regular stone bricks. Wait, this is a new block right here though. Break this. Oh, it's a shield. Huh, I'm actually gonna keep that just in case. Yes, there's more stone brick right here. Oh my gosh, I need this. I need this. I need this. There we
Gigi,
go.
GGLS.
35 of the shockwave ones. Let's go.
Kala ko GLS.
It's crazy. Right here, there's cobwebs.
GGLS.
Okay, I'm kind of happy we did keep a sword. Specifically, only to break that. Oh my gosh. This is insane.
Mag-live ka na,
I built up
sis.
as much as I can with Ghastly Totems. Dude, wait, what was that? Wait, no, it isn't! What? No, it isn't!
Asan na yung si Sir
Okay,
Michael?
okay, whatever, bro. Yo, here. Yo,
Thanks,
eat
guys.
this,
Let's
eat this.
play.
La, 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 la. Ooh.
Ah, naglalaro siya.
What? 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 No way. Bro. How?
Anong laro
Yo,
niya?
let me go, bro. Let me go, bro. Stop. What? Put me down, you fool.
Boxing.
Okay, that, no. That is too overpowered. That is too overpowered, bro. What? Wait, I'm cooked. Now I'm just floating. Yo, Lizzie. Oh, nah, bro. Wait, this is actually not good. Hold on. Yeah, maybe we can work together. Hold on a second. Yeah, shut up, bro. Why do I have slow falling, bro? Okay, there we go. Finally. Hey,
Iwan man
why you
ako
trying to
nila.
attack me, dude?
Basta ikaw, di kita iwan.
Well, you nearly killed me with your
Sana
jump
all.
shot.
Natatouch naman ako. Sana hindi ka magbago.
Oh, you have 3? Oh, dang. You should just use stalking me right now and not having to the deathmatch.
No, I think I'm gonna.
Sir Michael, ipo-full watch ko tong thanks guys mo.
Do the blood needles actually
Ano
don't
to,
do that much
boxing?
damage anymore?
They actually do. I just haven't chanted golden beat receipt.
Soccer?
Whatever, bro. Have you gone mining already? Wait,
Funny kid.
have you mined already?
Let's go mining, dude. Let's just go mining. Son.
Naluluha naman ako sa'yo.
Let's just go mining, dude.
Magla-live ka ba? Ikaw din, mag-live ka na ng maaga. Kagabi, nilagay ko lang yung live ko dun sa, ay yung cellphone ko sa live mo. Tapos natulog na ako. Pagising ko, 1 hour ka lang kagabi? Kasi parang ang bilis mo mag-off eh. Parang nag-CR lang ako, nagising ako ng ano, sarado ka na eh.
Wait, that's actually kind of crap. That's way better than keeping the planks, bro. We might as well break the wood, see what it drops.
1 hour ka lang kagabi?
What is that? It's level 9? What? What does it do? Oh! Oh my gosh, it just burns everything in a radius. Bro. What?
There's like nothing good down here, bro. I only found the street to get wood.
Mag-live ka kulis, ganito o, 10 hours, para pag nag-play na sa'yo, meron silang ipi-play na mahaba.
Really? Wait, what is this?
Tapos ganito o, nakaharap ka sa camera, mas malaki ang watch hour na makukuha mo.
Quick Flame Burger. What are these stupid names, bruh? Hey, what is this Gordon bot?
No!
Oh my gosh,
It's not good, dude. It's not good. It's not good.
Ay, ayaw.
HT. Wait, that's shit. Yo, thank you. I'm on the hunt for that. Wait, wrong blue orb, but it will do. Please drop some magical room thing. Okay, close. What is this? Ray of Frost? Whoa, 13 attack damage? Oh!
Ilang minutes na? Uy, 21 na lang. 21 na.
Yo, this is fat.
Bilis naman. Saglit lang yon, lobat eh. Ikaw nga lang, nag-iisa dun eh. Nag-iisa na nga lang, tulog pa no. Agahan mo kasi mag-live mga gantong oras. Mas marami ang viewers.
What? How do you teleport? Nothing, bro.
Hoy, hoy.
I'm gonna break this.
Na-CPR ako dun sa request mo kahapon ah.
Yo, hold on. I'm gonna test this on you. I'm gonna test this on you.
Na-CPR ako dahil. Sharing revenue tuloy. Magbabayad ka.
I got it.
Kala mo naman may revenue yun eh.
I'm actually using it. And go, dude.
Magbabayad ka. May sharing revenue ako dun sa request mo kagabi.
Yo, what is happening? I'm getting freaking nope.
Ah, di ba ang galing naka 100 na agad.
Yeah, blood slash baby. Oh, dude, super powered. I love it.
What the heck did you break, bro, for that?
Nothing. Diamonds. Where are the diamonds? How are there no diamonds here?
Sorry naman. Hindi, magbabayad ka.
No diamonds over here. Nothing. I'm gonna break it. Come on. What?
Request ka pa ha.
That's not even a scroll, dude. That's fake. Hey.
1/4 lang yung kinanta ko pero makikihati pa ng sahod si Jenny Lynn.
Definitely why. 5 minutes left. What? Is he just died? I mean, he was just right next to me. Yeah, bro. We gotta grind.
Mag-live ka na,
We
Kulits.
got 5 minutes left. I don't even.
Sabayan mo na si Sis Jenny Lynn.
It's you, my girl hat, bro.
Tag 30 minutes kayo. Ay! Nay! Ay, may gwapa daw. Saglit lang, Nay. Ayusin ko lang, Nay.
I'm missing some armor, I think. I don't
Ayan.
know armor.
What are you missing?
Like,
I do not have fair. I wish I had fair.
I have to
Mag-replay lang ako ha. Kasi nag-finger pa ako. Sige po, Nay.
like level 4.
Mag-work ka lang dyan, Nay.
Look up.
No,
Para may pang shopping tayo sa katapusan.
Sorry.
I have this one.
Ow! Yes, I do have that.
Mag-work ka lang dyan, Nay.
I open up this.
What's that? Wait, that's actually kind of fire. Here, I'll trade you.
36% lang. Ano ba yan?
Here, take level 9.
Ay! Aaron, paabot nga.
Wait, this is kind of broken.
Mangga lang available.
I don't know if it does that much damage.
12.
Like, I'm so, it says it's legendary.
Dalawa na? Alin lang? Rehang barba?
What? Yes. What?
Rehang barba is candy.
Let's go. I'm so still right there? Okay.
Kulang.
Messed up.
Kulang pa ng 4.
Shockwave. Hiya! Does that work? No. What?
Ice candy pwede, tag-isa kayo.
You're flexing. I thought you were weak.
Ay.
You're flexing on me.
Dabog.
Actually, God, I lost number two.
Oo, mga bata dito kahit gabi na. Tapos ayan oh, kumuha na naman yung alaga ko, kumuha na naman. Anak ko ni mga yan. Pwede na ba yan? Parang si nanay lang. Ano sabi niya? Gabi na may nabili pa. Oo, hanggang ano yan, alas 10. Sayaw kahawak ko ang beat. Ito na lang. Ice candy ang isa kung gusto mo. Bakit tres? Ay, uy! Langga Jenaling, ganyan din gawin mo. Magbantay ng freezer. Nay, tinuruan ko yung gumawang ice candy. Hanggang ngayon hindi pa siya gumagawa. Matatapos na lang ang summer.
To just stick with the fireball at the beginning since we have so many.
Diba, nakaupo lang dito. Oh. May kita na ulit ako. Oh. May kita na ulit tayo. Pumili tayong ulam bukas.
Oh my gosh! Bro, what? Why did it take so long?
Ha ha ha, Ma'am Nene Days.
Wait, the fireballs actually suck. Stop! Oh my god, I wish so much burning dash. It's not good, dude. Screw the fireball, bro. No, I don't even want it. I don't even want the fireball.
Matatapos na ang summer, di pa nagagawa yung mango graham niya. Magmamahal na ulit ang mangga. Ay! Sir Iska! Sir Dawan! Good evening po. Ayan, nilagyan na kitang brief. Tawag mo ang brief. Good evening, Sir Iska.
Bro, what is that? Warm you up. Yeah, here you go.
Mag-e-end na ako, magti-30 minutes na. Ay, parang si Rayhan. Nakita kita kanina kay Rayhan. Sir Iska, nakita kita kanina kay Rayhan. Nangangamusta ka pa lang, nag-end na. Hindi pa nga ako nakaka-type. Kakapasok ko lang din, nag-end na. Salamat sa jacket. welcome po.
Shockwave, right? Boom!
Thank you sa pagpunta sa Iska. Short live lang po to, 30 minutes. Ayan, magti 30 minutes na ako. Ay, 30 minutes na ako. Mag-end na ako.
No, but does this...
Oh, ending agad sila. Oh, nandun din ako eh. Magko-comment pa lang ako, tapos nakita ko nag-comment ka. End na agad. DJ Brazos. Hello po. Good evening po. Thank you sa pagpunta. Bisibisihan ng lola habang naka-live. O, diba? Gagawa ako ng ano. Lagayan ng panindak. Sis Jenaline, mag-live ka na. Sir Iska, di magla-live si Ate Janet po. Kanina pa kami nag-aabang. Okay lang ba siya? DJ Brazos. Shout out DJ Brazos.
Versus the boys. And every time we break a block, it'll drop either an epic girls item or an overpowered boys item. We have 30 minutes to get as strong as possible to then fight in the ultimate match. Or you team boys. Or you team boys. Go boys, you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Wala siya live. Kasama ko siya na. Ay! Sana all. Kaya pala.
Let's go boys!
Sige, mag-aabang na lang kami ng vlog mo, Sir Iska. Di ba sabi mo, pagkasama mo na siya, magbablog ka na kasama siya. Abangan namin yung vlog mo, ha?
I think the girls are already at the village. They're fighting gummy bears. Yo, we gotta walk in. We go to the village. What do we do? What do we do?
I say as we go hunting. Let's get a deer.
Ay, 32 na ako. Mag-end na ako.
Alright, in that case, let's rush the
Mag-end na po ako. Update ko lang kasi to. 30 minutes. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Oh my god, wait, they're dying to the goal!
Oo ba? Sa panaginip ko na yung kasama. O sige, mamaya ka na gumising. Para matagal kayong magkasama.
Oh my god, gummy bears are on me!
Pag totoo na, mag-vlog ako. O, di ba?
Oh my god, okay, guys,
Jenaline, mag-live ka na. Sir Iska, thank you po mag-end up po ako. 30 minutes lang ang live ko. Salamat ng marami.
I got the baseball bat! I got one! Oh my god!
Pulids!
Get the gummy bears!
Bye-bye na. Mag-live ka na rin para maaga tayong matulog. Bye-bye. Salamat. Sir Iska, thank you po. Bawush.
I got the... Thank you, thank you.
Nay, thank you.